Howdy, everybody.
Hi, friends. Happy
Monday.
Monday. So, you know what, extras? We are talking about 3D shapes.
Oh, my goodness.
Do you know what a 3D shape is?
Oh, I do not.
A 3D shape has sides and you can touch it. Like
a 3D movie. It's right there in front of you.
kind of. So, like, this is just a rectangle.
2D.
It's flat. It's flat. This is a sphere.
Got some volume right there.
You know, you can touch it, see? Because you can
Yes,
touch
I
it on all the
can.
sides, okay? So, what's that called again, extras?
A sphere.
A sphere.
Mhm.
And we're also talking about this. It looks like a triangle, but look, it has all different sides.
Whoa.
Do you know what this is called, my friend?
With a cone?
It is a cone.
Mm-hmm. It's like an ice cream cone right here.
It is. And then we have, you know what a square looks like, right?
I hope so.
Okay. So we have a flat square, but when it has multiple sides, it is now called a
cube.
A cube.
All right.
Because we can touch all the different sides. So that's a good way to try to understand how our 3D shapes work. Because we
So-
can touch different sides of them.
When I'm playing with the ball, I'm playing with the sphere.
Right?
And when I'm eating an ice cream cone, I'm eating a...
Cone.
Well, they really planned that one out.
That one was really good.
When I'm rolling die, I'm rolling cubes.
You are rolling cubes. And our last shape is called, do you know what this is called?
Ooh, that one's hard.
It kind of looks like a rectangle here, and then it has circles on the ends. But remember, we can touch all the sides. This is called a cylinder.
All right.
You know something else that's a cylinder that people know that usually...
Soda can?
A soda can. A soda can is a cylinder. So that's what we're talking about this week, and next week we're going to go over our 3D shapes because you guys are super smart and you know our flat shapes. Now we're going to talk about 3D shapes.
We're getting crazy up in here.
I know.
Geometry.
So let's see what our story is this week. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, is this
Does that
real?
sound- It is real, so please
I've been
don't
crunching
break
it the whole time. That was plastic.
Please don't break it because that's our
Our food.
and it's
My
our
bad.
prop for next week.
Oh. Oh. Anyway,
Anyways,
Mrs. S,
let's talk about.
let's continue.
And this week we're also talking about things that are alike and different.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
That was not like plastic. That broke
No.
pretty easily.
way to go, extras.
Mm-hmm.
So we have. Oh well, you know we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's talk about our story. We come on time. We sit in a line. It can take gas and time. We do not need to be late. So see, the children like you guys are going to school. All right. Sorry guys, there's a lot of green on this book. Jan and Pete can take a bus. Kim does not have to ride. Kim does not see Pete, so because she's walking.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have friends that are riding their bikes. Tom can ride a red bike. He can go up, 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 but it is a quick ride to get back home. So some people are walking to school just like us. Some of us ride the bus, and some of us ride bicycles or scooters with our grown-ups. So we got to be safe and stay with our grown-ups.
I go full sprint
Full sprint.
on my roller skates.
Oh, yeah, but you can't wear skates in school.
Oh.
You have to take them
I
off at
skate
the gate.
to school.
And then you give them to your parents at the
Of
gate.
course.
Okay.
You get it.
Dad
you got
has
me.
a job on a dock. He can take Tim in a van. Tim will not come late, so they're all trying to get to school on time, just like you guys. If it is wet, a van can help. So they're riding in the van so they don't get wet in the rain. Dad can fit 5 in the van. Dad can help a kid who does not have a ride.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, so they're carpooling. If it is not wet, do not ride. Lee and Kim can run, run, run. Pat can zip, zip quick too. We come in at the same time. So they all took different modes of transportation. We've talked about transportation. Some people were walking. Some people were riding. Some people were riding bicycles. We get in and sit on time. Pat can get in line quick. All right, let's see.
Pat's just crazy like that.
Yep, and that is the end of that story.
Good story, good story.
So our friends are very smart. Remember, they've learned all their letters. But
What?
we're just gonna review. Yeah, I know.
All their letters.
They are so super smart. I'm so proud of all of them.
That's pretty crazy.
So, but we're gonna review because sometimes we forget letters because we've learned so many. So today we're just gonna talk about this letter, and it goes. You know what that letter is?
It was kind of hot in here.
It is a little hot in here.
It's the letter H, Mrs. S.
It is an H. And remember, we go from the top to the bottom, we cross on the dotted line. Then we're going to come from the top down, go back up on your line, and then make your hump to the ground, okay? And last week we talked about numbers 15 and 16. What comes after 16?
Mrs. S. Oh, you got a teaching credential. I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you.
That's fine.
What is it?
It's 17.
She knows. She knows.
17.
And the next one, oh, we're not there yet.
So when we make 17, it's a 1 and a 7. Our 10 frame is full. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the next 10 frame. We have 1, 2, 3 sets of tally marks of 5. So we have 3 groups of 5 and we have 2 1s. We have our 10 blocks. We have 1 stick of 10 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With money, we're going to have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Now, on our number line, this one only goes to 20, so we're almost to the end. We're right after our 16. All right, now.
Mrs. S., I will never doubt your teaching credentials again. You just blew my mind right there.
Aw, you're so sweet. So, what comes after 17?
18.
You are correct.
Thank
That's
you.
a 1 and an 8. Just like before, this 10 frame is full, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have still 3 groups of 5 with our tally marks, but then we have 3 1s. So we have our 10s block. We have 1 with 10 in it. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. That's going to take a dime and a nickel and 3 pennies to make 18 cents. And look at, we're almost to 20 on our number line, friends.
Shaking.
All right. Well, that's all we have today.
I guess we'll see y'all later.
Happy Monday, my friends.